welcome to my kitchen. So today I will make wonton using shrimp and squid, ground meat, wonton. I'm gonna make it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's long neck. Ginger and garlic. Leg side is chopped. Ground meat, pepper, shirodashi, white soy sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, just a little bit, added flavor. Skin, shrimp, water a little bit, like this, using wonton skin double. Water, this one, the without shrimp, no more shrimp, tiny one. I made the shrimp, wonton, meat and chopped squid inside, double skin, making about 20. And this one is a tiny one, small one. So without shrimp, but it's so good. Making many wonton. Good. So you can keep in freezer. So about a month you can keep it. So anytime you can make wonton, ramen, or fried wonton. Very easy to make. It's a good wonton. This is a shrimp wonton, shrimp and chopped squid inside, and ground pork. So I'm gonna eat ramen, thin fries, homemade chashu. This one is a homemade memma. So making shrimp, wonton, chashu, ramen. Okay. Wonton, chashu, nen. Soup. Oh, so good. I love it. Shrimp wonton. Good texture, shrimp. Very tasty. This is a homemade chashu. Yummy. Homemade memma. Good texture. Rich flavor. Juicy. Boiled egg. Melty. Now reach to noodle ramen. Thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day.